Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul and I'm super excited to talk about the numerical random function in today's video. So let's move ahead and explore this random function in SQL. So what exactly is a random function? So in SQL, the random function can be used to return a random number within a particular range, and the range is between 0 to 1. So let's go and see how we can generate a random number in SQL. So what we will do is that we will simply write select, and after select we will write RAND, and we will open a bracket and close a bracket. Now if I run this query, you can see that we have a random number generated here. Right? Now you might be thinking that where can we use this random function in our day-to-day life? But wait for a second. You can use this random function when you have to randomly select any data. For example, suppose you are a group leader in a class and your teacher assigns you a task to create a sequence in which the student of your class might appear for an interview. And we all know that nobody wants to go first in a face-to-face interview. And hey, everyone is your friend and you do not want to push anyone under the bus by asking them to go first. So you came up with an idea that why cannot we use SQL to decide which student should go first for interview, and in this scenario, this random function can be very helpful. So this random function will generate a sequence dynamically in your table, and you can use that output as a sequence in which the students will appear for their interview. So let's go and create a scenario which I had explained right now. So I have a table student data. So what I'll do is that I'll simply write select star from student underscore data. Now if I run this query, you can see that you have 10 records in this student data table, and all of these students are supposed to appear in a face-to-face interview. Now what you can do is that you can create a column with this random function which will put a random number between 0 to 1. So let's do that. After this star, we'll put comma and we will put this rand function as random value. Now if I run this query, I will have a new column that will have a random value between 0 to 1. So there you go, you have a random value. Now what you need to do is that you need to generate a sequence randomly in your table which can be used as the output sequence in which the student will appear for the interview. So simply after this table name you can put an order by, and then you can put this rand function. Okay, now if I run this query, you will see that all of the values in this table are in ascending order. Now you can use this output as a sequence in which the student will appear for the interview. So this is how basically you can use random function in SQL to create random number between 0 to 1, and even if you want to select a random row as an output in your SQL query, then you can use this random function. If you want to learn more about SQL, you can click on the right side of this video, or if you're interested in Excel, you can click on the left side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.